Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Adrianne. So today's video is going to be all about my current obsession with the perfumes that I just cannot stop wearing. These are all the ones that I have, they have easily become my top ones that I reach for the most. Some of these are old and some of these are my newer purchases, or I've either purchased these or I've received them in a PR. Either way it go, these are the ones that have just remained my top favorites lately. I'm not going to say that they're fall fragrance, but these are just the ones that I have been loving out of all the ones that I've gotten. So let's hop into today's video. All right, I'm gonna do it in no particular order, and some of these things I've already talked about. If you follow any of my vlogs and you've seen these, or any of my perfume videos and you've seen these. None of these are new that are like, oh, you know, these, why did my voice just go high pitch? These are all the ones that I want to reiterate how much I truly love them, and they hold a special place in my heart. So first up is House of Bo, and this is Ave Maria. I purchased this maybe 3 months ago, and as you can see, I've already put a dent in it. I really would like to get the bigger bottle of this. It's aimed to be an ethereal, which I don't even know what that meant, an ethereal scent, but to me it's such a clean scent. This smells so good. I brought all of House of Bo's samples because I wanted to try it. All of the other influencers were talking about House of Bo, House of Bo, House of Bo, and I'm just like, I don't have an Neiman Marcus or a Saks to smell it around here, so I was like, let me just go ahead and blind buy all of these and see which ones that I like. Ave Maria, I did blind buy this one just because the notes in it I wasn't familiar with, and obviously I just had the extra coin to spend at the time because this is not cheap. House of Bo is not cheap, but I do think for the quality, the projection, the longevity of this, it's worth every penny, and I will repurchase over and over again. This one, if you want to smell clean, I can't even put it into words. I'm gonna try to include the notes of each one of these here so you guys can know the notes that are in it, because I didn't pull them up yet, but my editor will include this for you guys so you can know what the notes are that's in this perfume. The quality, even of the packaging, like this is heavy duty, like heavy, I want to say quartz or something like that. All of their packaging is just really good, and I've reached for this so many times. I've shown this so many times, and so many get ready with me's I've worn it. I'm actually going to go to California. I have to go to California a couple times at the end of this month. She's coming with me. She's so good. She's so good. I really want, if you have a store where they sell this, like a Neiman Marcus, or what's the other one, Saks or Fifth Avenue, I think sells it. I definitely think you should go smell this. I think it's blind buy worthy if we have the same scent profile. If you like the scents that I like, then yes, I think you should blind buy this one. It's just a good scent. It's just a good scent. It's not overpowering. It's just good, period. Trust me, this is a good one. Forever Mood, You Remind Me. I just recently did a video on all my clean scents, and I forgot to include this one. I don't know how I forgot. Well, I know how I got too many perfumes, but I forgot to include this one. This one I brought when it first came out. Not the mini, but the other size. I blew through that one. You Remind Me is just such a clean, sophisticated, second skin type of scent. Sephora sells this one. Definitely go into Sephora, smell it. I think it's blind buy worthy. Black owned, women owned. Jackie Aina, who was a major influencer, this is her brand. She did that. She came out with 4, and then she came out with a 5th one earlier this year. The 5th one that came out, I didn't like it. I purchased it. I think it was called She Was Here. I talked about it on my stories and said I didn't like it. It's just, that scent is not for me. This one, You Remind Me, and NDA. NDA, that's my fall. I've been saving that one for the fall, to wear this fall. But if you want a clean scent, definitely check out You Remind Me. Here are the notes in You Remind Me. I love the packaging of it. I think it's super cute, and I think it stands out so you don't ever get confused. Actually, all my perfumes the bottles are designed differently. So, but all of her scents are the same type of bottle, like diamond bottle, like a trophy, because this deserves a trophy. This smells amazing. I don't find that these scents last longer than 4 or 5 hours on me. I even layer it like with oils and stuff like that, but I don't find that it's a crazy projection. I don't find that it's long lasting. However, I enjoy it so much that I don't mind just like going for a revisit of the scent in the middle of the day just to kind of refresh it. This one is just really good. It smells amazing. All right, next up is Father Figure by Phlur. You may be wondering, girl, that's a full bottle. How you like that one so much? Because this is my 3rd bottle, or 2nd bottle, 3rd bottle. This is my third bottle of Forevr. And so many of y'all have trusted me with this scent. I don't own any other scent. And even with all the other ones, I buy a lot of Arabian perfumes, get sent a lot of Arabian perfumes. I have a lot of high-end perfume. This one stands on her own. This one gets compliments on her own. I don't layer it with anybody. It's so good. Here are the notes. I don't know what out of this that makes it, matter of fact, I'm gonna put this one on right now because it's so good. It's so good. When I wear this, I get compliments. When y'all wear it, y'all get compliments. I don't know how many comments I have read that y'all was like, oh, I trust you because you put me on the Forevr. You told me about Forevr. Forevr from Phlur, hands down. My number one scent. Forevr. Number 2 would be Missing Person. Number 3 would be Vanilla Skin out of Forevr. Out of Phlur. Phlur makes really good scents. Forevr does last on me all day. All day. Missing Person, 6 or 7 hours. And Vanilla Skin, 7 or 8 hours. Forevr, 10 plus hours. It's so good. Now, I'm an oversprayer though, so just keep that in mind. If y'all say y'all fragrances don't last, y'all ain't putting enough on. I have a minimum of 10 to 20 to 30. Now, 30 is kind of reaching it. 10 to 20. Like I count to 10 to 15. Like, I go crazy. That's why it lasts all day on me. My clothes, everything. I get compliments. Forevr is a compliment getter. She's good. All right, now this is a most recent in my collection. Lancome La Vie Belle Vanilla. This is the newest one. This was sent to me in PR. When I went to Ulta and smelt it, I'm not gonna lie, I wasn't impressed on the first scent. I was like, then they sent it to me in PR and I started wearing it. Now I pick up what they put down. I got it. I got it now. The bottle is so pretty. I love the frostedness of it. You can see I put a little dent into it. This one does not project like the original La Vie Belle, but it has such a beautiful vanilla scent in it. Here are the notes. It's the same scent DNA of the La Vie Belle, just with a vanilla scent to it, and they did it so beautifully. It's not the first initial scent that gets me. It's the lasting, like the dry down is what drops me through the wall. Like I can't get enough of this. I can't get enough of this one. I don't find that it lasts me super long all day. It does smell really good though. I really think you guys should go into Ulta, spray it on you. If you like Fall in Love, if it's an instant love, okay, great. If not, spray it on you, leave, come back later, see what the dry down and the longevity of it is on you. I really like it. I keep reaching for it for a reason. Vanilla is also a good note for the fall, and that's why I've been liking it so much. This is a new purchase of mine. I actually did a reel. I haven't posted that reel yet. I need to post that reel. This is the vanilla of the YSL. Easily became number 2 of all the YSL DNAs. Easily, okay? They blended this vanilla into this DNA so good. This has orange. I love Orange Blossom. My product Paradox has orange. I'm surprised that's not in this video, but I'm gonna let her chill for a little bit. She's always in my videos. That's still gonna always be my number 1, but it's time for some of these other ones to shine. And this YSL is just good. As you can see, I've been using this. I've literally had this maybe a week and 2 weeks, probably 2 weeks now. This is coming with me to California. It's so good, y'all. If you like any of the Libre's DNA and you want to add a vanilla on top of it, I don't think you can get away with like I don't know, I guess I could try that, but just like getting a vanilla perfume and layering it with YSL, you might get this. I don't know, but I'd rather just get like this. The packaging is so beautiful. This gold, oh my gosh. And then the see-through side, it's just such a luxurious packaging. The price tag does match the quality and what you get, the projection, the longevity, the blendingness of the perfume. Well done, YSL. I've been trying to go on that PR list since I became an influencer. They still ain't recognized me yet, but it's okay because I want to still continue to purchase over and over and over and over, because I actually think this is a good date night scent, but also I think it's perfect for daytime. She's good. She's so good. All right, now this is a newer purchase of mine. This is Gucci Flora Intense. I want you to see the dent. Can y'all see the dent that I have kind of put into this? I like Gucci Flora Gorgeous Gardenia, the pink one. I have that bottle over there. That one love it. That's my signature spring summer scent. Love Gucci Flora. It does not last on me. For whatever reason, it does not last on me. I'll spray it, and I'm a heavy sprayer, and then maybe 4 or 5 hours later, I'm like, how you clocked out so early? I don't, the price don't match the longevity at all, but it's Gucci. I'm sure you're paying for the name on it, but I just wish that it lasted longer on my skin and on my clothes, but I love it. I love it so much that I went in store and smelt the intense version of it. It was one of those ones that I just could not stop until I had it. It was one, some perfumes do that to me. I'll go in store, I'll sniff it, I'll smell it, and if it doesn't, like, if I'm like, I'm over it. But if I can't sleep at night, yes, some perfumes have kept me in a chokehold until I actually had it, and this is one of those. I had a 20% off coupon at Ulta too that I was able to use with this, because I'm always trying to save a coin, okay? Just because you got, don't mean you got to spend it. I always try to save money, and this one is just such a good date night scent to it. It smells the same, it's the same DNA, but it's such a deeper, darker scent. Like, this is definitely a date night, definitely a fall fragrance. I look at it as the, let me grab it for you guys so y'all can see it. I definitely feel like this is a spring, summer, daytime, work appropriate scent. Oh, this one has the notes on the back of this one. The original one. It has white gardenia, jasmine, and pear blossom. This smells so good. And this one is for date night, fall. So I really feel like it's year round. These two are year round. These are all day, year round. Day, spring, summer, night, fall, winter. Now you can wear these all the time, but I've been grabbing for this one a lot. I can't see how much is in this one, but I'm not gonna lie, I've been having this for about 2 years, maybe 3 years at this point, and it's the same bottle. But again, I only wear this in the spring, summer, signature scent. It smells so good. I feel like it smells very girly, and you have to like girly, fruity scents to like this. Like, that's what I feel like. But this one is just such a deeper version of this that this is why I keep reaching for it, for like a darker, deeper fall, winter, and nighttime. And the bottle actually speaks for itself. Like, this is a great, bright, bubbly date night, wedding, nighttime wedding type of vibe. All right, we're down to the last two, girl, because I be yapping, girl. I be talking. This is Opulent Dubai by Lattafa. This one is a newest purchase of mine. Lattafa just never does, well, they have done some wrong. I'm not gonna even lie to you. There's been some perfumes I'm just like, what were you thinking? Lattafa has a lot of perfume, but easily my #1 Arabian house perfume. But Opulent Dubai is my mango. This is a mango scent, perfect for spring and summer. I don't know why they released this, which I want to say they released this recently. I don't know why they released it in the fall. They should have waited to release this, I think, in the spring, summer, and this would have been the it scent for the summer. But I have been reaching for this a lot to go run errands. I've gotten, when I moved AJ into his dorms, I wore this. We had a 2-hour drive. By the time I got to go to his apartment to move him in, the lady was like, oh my gosh, you smell so good. And I'm like, I didn't smell it myself anymore. I was like, girl, you smell me? She was like, you smell, I smelled you when you walked in. I was like, okay, Lattafa, I see you, girl. I love getting compliments. To me, I feel like I like your hair, I like your shoes, I like your clothes. It's just like, oh, that's nice. But you tell me I smell good? Girl, you done made my entire day. That's my most favorite compliment that I could ever receive, is that you smell me, because I put so much effort into my scent that when you recognize it, I'm just like, yep, I did that. I did that. And Lattafa Opulent Dubai, she did that. The bottle is perfect, beautiful. I love it. Lattafa's presentation, it always never misses. It's just really, really good. And I also feel like the longevity of this is good. This is a knockoff. This is a kickoff, spin-off, whatever you want to call it, of God of Fire. I don't own that perfume, never heard of it, never smelt it, but apparently that's the same DNA that this has. But the girlies say that Lattafa did it better, which in my opinion, she does it better on a lot of the dupes that she does. But this is beautiful. This is beautiful, and it smells so good, and will get you compliments. Overspray though, girl. You need to overspray. All right, and last but not least, this is one of my newest obsession, is Dave by Henry Rose. I am not a huge vanilla gourmand girl. I have a lot of vanilla perfumes, a lot, but I do not like smelling edible. I don't want to smell like a maple cookie. I don't want to smell like a, you know, you could just eat me up. Some girls love that. Some girls love that. However, that's just not my scent profile. I do like vanilla. I do like vanilla though, but it has to be done right. And Dave's vanilla is done so effortlessly. This bottle has a pink pepper note, and I get popcorn I don't want to smell popcorn either. But I get popcorn is the scent that it reminds me of. It's just done so beautifully. And I feel like it takes you through so many different scents when you wear this. The way it starts off is not how it finishes at all. I feel like the top notes is what I get a popcorn. It smells like caramel popcorn at the very beginning. And again, y'all know I just said I don't like smelling edible. But where it takes me at the end of it is like, okay, yeah. And she stays around for a long time. Henry Rose's perfumes, to me, the two that I've only smelled two because I got, and the reason why I've been exposed to this is because they sent me PR. And they sent me the small miniature bottles I talked about, and I smelled, y'all saw my initial scents whenever I showed you guys. If you watched that vlog, it was immediately like, oh, that smells good. Immediately added to cart. I emailed them, told them thank you, I love this so much. I brought the big bottle. They were like, oh great, I love to hear it. Dave, smells amazing. I really think that if you need to go into Sephora and smell this, Henry Rose, Dave, and also I think you need to smell Flora Carnivora if you like clean scents. I've gotten compliments on Flora Carnivora, but I just think that Dave is such the perfect transition scent into the fall winter. It's just a really good vanilla scent that's done right. Okay, it's done right. I'm not gonna say every vanilla scent that I have is done right, but this one is done right and it lasts a long time. And I want to say the bottle's maybe $100. I think it's worth it. I didn't think twice about buying this, the full size and the other one, and I've been reaching for it. I've been reaching for this a little more than I should. I think because I have so many perfumes, I need to start like forcing myself to try to wear other ones, because it's like I'll wear it a day and then I'm just like, okay, Adrianne, you need to put this up and wear your other ones. And then I'm just like, oh no, I smell good yesterday, I'm gonna rewear this one. Oh no, I got compliments yesterday, I'm gonna rewear this one. And that's what I've been getting with these perfumes. These have been my top 8 and I am so happy and I love them. I don't regret any purchases. Even the ones I get in PR, I'm like, I'll do like a little mini review unboxing, like, oh yeah, it smells good. Or I'll tell y'all, I'm like, this ain't for me. If you like this, you like that, then that's just not for me. These have been in my rotation. I can't stop wearing them. I love them. I think you should go smell them. Let me know your thoughts. Thank you guys for trusting me. If you do decide to blind buy these, I'll have all these linked in the video, in the description box, and you can scan this QR code here to shop if you're watching me on TV. Hey girl, watching me on TV, you can shop my LTK is where I'll have them all listed as well. But yeah, that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and I will check you guys out in my next video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel on your way out, and I love you.